Okay, today we'll start the new chapter, that is exponents and power. First, we'll understand what is exponent and what is power. Just look at here. We have given 10 to the power 24, and here this 10 is the base, we called it, and this 24 is the exponent or power. That means we can say 10 raised to the power 24, and this is the related with this types of questions we'll solve here. Now for this chapter you have to remember the law of exponent also. Clear? The law of exponent. By using the law of exponent we can solve exercise 12.1. Now just look at here, we have given the following laws of exponent, that is number altogether up to F we have given the law of exponent. Now number A, look at here, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. If we have given the question like this, we can use this law of exponent. And number 2, B, we have a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. C, we have bracket a to the power m bracket close a to the bracket close to the power n. If you have given like this, equals to, we have to use a to the power m into n. Now D, we have a to the power m into b to the power m equals to, suppose the base is different, we can multiply the base and power as it is. Clear? And E, we have a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Kunai pani numbers ko if the power is 0, clear, exponent is 0, the value is 1. Clear? Now F, suppose you have a to the power m divided by b to the power m equals to rational numbers you have to write down as it is, a by b whole power m. And another thing what you have to remember, very small number can be expressed in standard form using negative exponent. लामो numbers point मा दिएको छ भने चाहिँ we have to use the standard form using negative exponent. Clear? And other thing you have to remember, suppose you have given the negative exponent, in order to make that positive we can change the place. Numerator ma chha ni denominator ma lanu paryo. If there is in denominator negative power, then we can set into the numerator. Clear? Now we'll do question number 1 here. First questions 12.1 go. Question number 1, we have evaluate. Number 1, 3 to the power minus 2. Here we have power minus. Just now I told you mathipati minus power cha ni यसलाई कहाँ लानु पर्यो, मुनिपटि. Just look at here, this way you have to do. That means equals to 1 by 3 to the power 2. यो minus negative ला मुनिपटि ल्याउँदा यो minus के हुन्छ, हराउँछ. Equals to, now simply you can do it, 1 by 3 means 3 square means 3 like 2 times multiply गर्नु पर्यो. 3 into 3 equals to, will get 1 by 9. Clear? Now question number 3 here. Now in question number 3, whole bracket 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Now this is in the form of last exponent f. Clear? That means number 1 को पनि power कति हुन्छ, -5. Number 2 को पनि के हुँदो रहेछ, power -5. किन दुईटाकै power is -5. Equals to, similarly -1 to the power -5 लाई positive बनाउनलाई यसलाई मुनिपटि लेख्नु पर्यो, अनि 2 to the power -5 लाई positive बनाउनु माथिपटि, like this. That means this 2 to the power 5 will be go up like this. 2 to the power 5 divided by 1 to the power 5 equals to, similarly 2 लाई how many times you have to multiply, 5 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 1 into 1 into 1. 1 पनि 5 times you have to multiply, will get, if you multiply 2 5 times, will get 32 divided by 1. This way you have to do it. Now rest questions you can do it yourself. Now question number 2 ko 2 era. Question number 2 ma we are asked simplify and express the result in power notations with positive exponent. Positive exponent ma लेख्नु पर्यो हामीले, not in the negative. If you have in the negative, we have to make them as a positive. Clear? Now here look at question number 1. Bracket minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. Now here we know the law of exponent. Here we have to use 4, that is the law of exponent, that is second ko b ko law of exponent, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. यही form मा छ नि. Base दुईटा को same छ, power is different. If you have this types of questions, we have to use divided into by looking the law of exponent. We can use the law. Clear? Here we can use a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Divide छ भने पावरहरु घटाउनु पर्यो. Now here base कति छ? A is the base. Here the question सँग compare गर. Base is minus 4. And the first को power कति छ? M, that is equals to 5. Second को power, that is n, equals to 8. Now put the values, will get minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8 equals to minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8 equals to minus 4. 5 minus 8 will be 3. यो के छ? 8 is greater, so minus 3. अब यसलाई हामीलाई पोजिटिभ बनाउनु भन्दैछ. minus 4 to the power minus 3 लाई कहाँ लानु पर्यो? पोजिटिभ बनाउनलाई मुनिपट्टि. equals to will get 1 by bracket minus 4 to the power 3. Therefore minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8 equals to will get 1 by minus 4 to the power 3. Clear? Now look at question number 2 ko 3 era. Bracket minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 4. Now here we have to use identities. Base is different here, right? Base different cha, power same cha भने you have to use this identities. A to the power m into b to the power m equals to a into b whole bracket m. Now here a is minus 3, b is 5 by 3 and power is 4, m equals to 4. Now put the value minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4 equals to 3. A is minus 3 into 5, b is minus 5 by 3 whole power 4. Now here this 3 cancel out. We are left with minus 5 to the power 4 equals to minus 24 times multiply garda will get positive. So here we'll get the answer 5 to the power 4. Therefore minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4 equals to 5 to the power 4. Now look at question number 3. Find the value of. And here also let's look at question number 1. 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 bracket into 2 square. Now here from the identities we can use a to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means कुनै पनि number को if the power is 0 the value will be 1. Like here 3 to the power 0 means we can put 1. Clear? Plus 4 to the power minus 1 bracket close into 2 square. Now in the next steps 1 plus 4 minus if you'll change we can write down this downside, that is 1 by 4 bracket close into 2 square equals to 1 plus 1 by 4 11 we can write down 2 square bracket close into 2 square is equal to, so here 2 square lay 1 plus 1 by 2 square we have to multiply. So we'll get 2 square plus 2 square by 2 square. This 2 will cancel out. Clear? Equals to 2 square means 2 like 2 times multiply garda will get 4. 4 plus 2 square cancel by it is left with 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. We'll get the 5. Now look at question number 3. Now question number 3 ma pani it's nothing, only we have to shift the negative power cha bhane we have to do the shifting only. Clear? Now look at here question 1 by 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. Now here by using identities we can write down 1 ra 2 ko power minus 2 like this. 1 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 2, and in the next also 1 ra 3 k power is minus 2. Do it take away minus 1 to the power minus 2, 3 to the power minus 2, and last one 1 ko pani power 2 minus 2, 4 ko pani minus 2 like this. Minus 1 to the power minus 2, 4 to the power minus 2. Now here negative sign मुनिपट्टि नेगेटिभ छ नि माथिपट्टि लैजाऊ, माथिपट्टि छ नि मुनिपट्टि, एक्सचेन्ज इट. सो हियर फर्स्टमा 1 को पावर minus 2 छ, 1 लाई मुनि 2 लाई माथि लानु पर्यो लाइक दिस. 2 स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर नेगेटिभ हराउँछ. एन्ड इन द सेकेन्ड अल्सो 3 लाई माथि लानु पर्यो, 1 लाई मुनि. 3 स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर प्लस हियर अल्सो द सेम थिङ 4 स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टु 2 स्क्वायर मिन्स 2 लाई 2 टाइम्स मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 4 divided by 1 ko square means 1 plus 3 ko square means 9 divided by 1 ko jattile square garda pani will get the values 1 plus 4 ko square means 16 divided by 1 equals to add the numbers will get 29 by 1 equals to the answer will be 29. Now look at question number 4. Question number 4 ma evaluate. We have 2 questions. One I'll do it. Number 2 you can do it yourself. Now look at question number 1. 4 ko 1. We have 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Here also the same thing. Minus power cha bhane change the place. Minus will vanish. Clear? Here 2 to the power minus 4 ला माथि लाँदा 2 to the power 4 minus आउँछ into 5 cube. यो power positive छ, keep here only. Divided by 8 to the power minus 1 माथिपट्टि छ, यसको minus हराउनलाई you have to shift downside. 8 to the power 1 equals to similarly 2 to the power 4 means 2 लाई 4 times. You write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 लाई 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 8. Now 8 ले you can cancel is 2 1 जा 2 माथि को 2 फर्स्ट को 2 सँग 2 4 जा 8 अब सेकेन्ड को 2 सँग 2 2 जा 4 and this 2 2 cancel. We are left with 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. If you multiply this 4 will get 215. Clear? Now look at question number 5. Question number 5 मा के भन्दैछ, find the value of m from which m to the 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Clear? अब here first we have to use the identities. Divided छ, divided को a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Power will be subtracted. So here in place of 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus m we can write down 1 base. 5 to the power m minus already question ma cha. Again n is our minus 3. So bracket minus 3 equals to in our right hand side we have 5 to the power 5. Write down as it is. Now in the next case we'll have 5 to the power m minus minus plus 3 equals to 5 to the power 5. Now in the next steps what you will see here, just look at here, on both the sides power have same base. हेर त दुईटै साइड्स मा राइट पट्टि पनि लेफ्ट पट्टि पनि पावर को यो फर्स्ट को पनि m plus 3 is the power, यसको बेस 5 छ, अर्को राइट साइड पट्टि को 5 को पनि power same छ. If the power is same so their exponent must be equal. पावरहरु सेम छ राइट पट्टि र लेफ्ट पट्टि भने त्यसको एक्सपोनेन्ट बेस सेम छ भने exponent or power also will be the same. Now here the power also will get same, and the power is m plus 3 is equal to 5. This 2 also will get the same. So m equals to 5 minus 3, therefore m equals to 2 will get it. Clear? Now look at question number 6. 6 ma'am, 2 question is there, one I'll do it. Now question number 1 is the curly bracket, second bracket 1 by 3 whole minus 1 minus first bracket 1 by 4 whole minus 1 curly bracket close and whole power minus 1. This is the question. Now here also the same thing which I did. You can do it. That is 1 by 3 minus 1 whole power minus 1. So Li we can write down like this: 1 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1, minus 1 by 4 we can write down 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1, and curly bracket whole power kati cha minus 1 as it is. Now in the second stage 1 ko 3 minus power cha mathi लानु पर्यो 1 लाई मुनि, अनि अर्कोमा 4 लाई माथि लानु पर्यो 1 लाई मुनि. Like this: 3 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1 minus 4 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1 whole power minus 1. यो क्वेशन्स मै छ. Equals to 3 by 1 इनको 3 नै हो, 4 by 1 means 4. 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. 4 is greater. 4 को sign minus minus 1 whole power minus 1 equals to, if you subtract will get minus 1 whole power minus 1 equals to a minus 1 la muni lanu paryo. Minus 1 divided by 1 to the power 1 is equal to will get minus 1. Clear? Now look at question number 7. And 7 ma we are asked to simplify, and simplify also nothing. Power positive negative cha bhane shift it, shift the sides. Clear? Now question number 1 ko garum. 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. Now here we have to shift t to the power minus 4 to the downside, 5 to the power minus 3 and t to the power minus 8 to the upside. Like this, 25 is already there, into t to the power 8 will go up, into 5 to the power 3 also will go up. Mathi gamne sign will change. Divided by 10 already there munipatiko, into mathipati t to the power minus 4, so this will shift downside, that will be t to the power 4. Now here we can cancel 10 and 25 by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, and t8 र t4 छ. अब माथिको t8 छ, मुनिको 4 छ, 4 ले 4 times गर्ने 8 काटिन्छ. Now we are left with 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 divided by 2. Now 5 to the power 4 means 5 लाई 4 times multiply gara, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into t to the power 4 divided by 2. If you multiply, will get 625 t to the power 4 divided by 2. And similarly you can do question number 2 also.